Hi, I'm Dan at the Champaign Aviation Museum. I'm one of the volunteers here working on projects, including the B-17 rebuild, and I'm working on building a B-25 cockpit procedures trainer for pilot training, procedures training, emergency procedures training, and also a cockpit that visitors can actually climb into. This assembly goes on the floor in the B-25. This is the emergency brake. We're working on getting the emergency brake handle working. And this goes in the cockpit. There'll be a hydraulic hand pump here, the two seat rails, and then we also have some of the control box up near the instrument panel. All the instruments will be functional, and as people go through all the procedures, instruments will indicate what they're doing so we can go through our checklist properly.